Hey guys, it's Matt with Tent and Table once again. Today, Steve and I are going to be showing you how to use your ratchet straps. You can see that Steve pushes the stake right through the D-clip on our strap, and then he'll hammer it in to make sure that it remains locked in place within the ground. Once we have the ratchet end placed on the stake, the other strap is going to be tied to the top of the tent like so. Steve just loops it through the little black hook that you can see here, and then ties it off to the top of the tent. So now we'll actually attach these two straps together. You can see that Steve just sort of easily snaps the clamp into place. You should be able to slide the strap right through that little slit space here that you see in the video. Pull some slack from it if need be. It's relatively simple from here. You'll be able to pull your strap through and tighten the ratchet. Once you've got your line tight, you can tie it up here like so. And there you go. So for teardown, you'll pull the clamp open like so and click it backwards. This will loosen the strap and allow you to pull it free. From there, you can just untie the knot in your line and undo the ratchet. I'm hoping this helped you with any of the ratchet strap issues that you may end up facing. Thanks for watching. This has been Matt with Steve from Tent and Table.